Anatomy of knee joint. Knee joint is a complex joint and largest joint of the body. It is fusion of three joints, that is lateral femorotibial, medial femorotibial, femoropatellar joints. Type of knee joint, it is condylar synovial joint and one saddle joint between femur and patella. Articulating surface of knee joint. It is formed by condyles of femur articulates with condyles of tibia and articulation surface is patella. Ligaments of knee joint. Fibrous capsular ligament, ligamentum patelli, tibial collateral ligament, fibular collateral ligament, anterior cruciate ligament, posterior cruciate ligament, medial meniscus, lateral meniscus, transverse ligament, arcuate popliteal ligament, oblique popliteal ligament. This is the tibial collateral ligament. It is attaches superiorly medial epicondyle of femur to the inferior medial shaft of tibia. That is the tibial collateral ligament. It is also called as a medial collateral ligament. Then fibular collateral ligament. Fibular collateral ligament, it is attached to the superiorly lateral epicondyle of femur and inferiorly, that is the head of fibula. So it is also called as a lateral collateral ligament or fibular collateral ligament. Then capsular ligament. Capsular ligament is attached to the whole knee joint around the knee joint. Medial meniscus. It is the two fibrocartilaginous discs, that is medial meniscus and lateral meniscus. It present in the joint cavity. Divide joint cavity into two compartments, that is upper compartment and lower compartment. Then next is synovial membrane. Synovial membrane lines the capsule except posteriorly and absent in front of patella. That is the synovial membrane. Anterior cruciate ligament. Anterior cruciate ligament. It is the anterior part of intercondylar area of tibia. It runs upward backward, means posterior cruciate ligament के पीछे से, means backward laterally posterior part of lateral condyle of femur, that is the anterior cruciate ligament. Then posterior cruciate ligament. Posterior cruciate ligament, it is the part of intercondylar area of tibia, that is the intercondylar area of tibia. It is runs from upward forward, ये आगे की तरफ जा रहा है, upward forward medially, this is the medial side, medially anterior part, patella is in the anterior part, that is the anterior part of medial condyle of femur, that is the posterior cruciate ligament. इन दोनों में से आप एक कौन सा भी याद रख सकते हैं, उसका अपोजिट ACL. Then next is ligamentum patelli. Ligamentum patelli, it is the superiorly attached to the pole of patella and insert into the tibial tuberosity. That is the ligamentum patelli. It is the tendon of quadriceps femoris. Then next is transverse ligament. Transverse ligament, it is connect anterior ends of medial and lateral menisci. This is the medial and lateral menisci. This is transverse ligament. Then arcuate popliteal ligament and oblique popliteal ligament.